Hi guys, I hope you've been doing great. It's already August and wow, time really flies this year, huh? Anyways, today we're going to be reviewing a bag. Today we're going to be reviewing the SIRUI Slide 8. Now, why did I get this bag? I actually got a few Peak Design slings, but unfortunately the zips at the side gave way. I tend to squeeze a lot of things into my bag, so I guess it just could not handle my ruggedness. But in all fairness, my Peak Design backpack still works really well and I carry it everywhere I go. So I guess maybe the sling is just not for me. Now we'll just take this out and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the SIRUI sling. It basically comes in 4 colors: blue, brown, black and grey. I got grey because it matches most of the colours I can wear, as you can see from all my vlogs and videos. So let's measure how big this is and see if this bag is for you. Okay, it's about 30 cm wide and about 21 cm tall. So it comes in a very simple zipper top. So when we open this up, we get this lens compartment which you can put all the lenses in. Now let me have a satisfying snip of the product tag. Okay, so we have a front zipper that is here. It's just a very small little compartment, maybe perhaps to put your SD cards or your memory cards or your batteries. Did I say memory cards twice? So behind here we have this simple sleeve. Yeah. So unfortunately this is not secure, so this is probably for the more casual items. Now, so going back to the compartment, so this lens compartment is actually removable. So it comes with 2 other inserts which you can fold a little. I guess a lot of them are taking inspiration from the Peak Design, so you can remove it wherever you want. But for the sake of this video, we'll just keep it there. So when the bag looks empty, it's like this. So you can see the velcro that is beneath it for the lens compartment. So inside you have 2 pockets and a tablet sleeve. Okay, now what's going to be fitted in? I'm going to take a few of the items which I usually carry with me and see how much it can stuff in without exploding. So my first occupant of the bag, my A7 II with my kit lens, the 28-70. Okay, then we will have my Canon adapted lens, 50mm 1.4. I'll have my shooting grip, the SGR1 thing, 2 batteries, and my slider, Smarter slider. All the shots that you see on my YouTube, I just shot with this Smarter MIDI slider. It's really one of the best investment I ever had. If you guys are curious where I got this and how does this work, please click on the link here. Now back to our bag review. So before I put anything in, I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me without putting the stuff in yet. So it feels really comfortable as it has this padding here that is adjustable. A lot of the bags I was looking for online did not have this adjustable pad, which will prove to be quite tiring if you are carrying the bag along with just the strap for the whole day. This really cushions it and really makes things a lot easier for your bag. Okay, now let's put the stuff in. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks after I stuff everything in. So this is my camera setup, the batteries are here, my extra lens here, and my slider that is down here. Okay, as you guys know, I'm really quite a small size guy, so I've got to do a little adjustment to the strap to fit my petite size. Okay, so I would say it fits really well. The bag itself is not made of heavy material, so it's rather light and thin. I guess it'll be a bit detrimental for my slider as it's not protected, but for my lens, it really works quite well. So I guess for my slider, I have to use some protective layer to protect it. If not, let me walk around here with it and see how it looks. Okay, so far I really like this bag, but let's take it outdoors and see how it looks for some of you guys who want to consider this. Okay, now we are back, and I hope you guys seen enough of the bag that I brought it outdoors. So, how much is this bag? This bag costs less than 40 USD. I got it at about 45 Singapore dollars, and I really like the price I'm paying for such a good bag. Make no mistake about this bag, there's nothing very fancy about it. As you can see, the quality isn't mind-blowing, but I just like the very simple design and perhaps the size of this bag. So likely this will be a very commonly used bag that I'll bring around, as my previous herringbone bag cannot fit my slider in. Now let me show you what I mean. So this is my previous Harrington bag. It's this small. It can fit in my camera, but unable to fit in my slider. So as you can see, it's really out of proportion. I'm able to squeeze it in. If not, the integrity of my bag will definitely give way. So this concludes my bag review for the SIRUI Sling8. As mentioned, it comes in 4 colors, and it's really quite good for the things that I bring around. If not, please like and subscribe so that I can generate more reviews for bags, lenses and other stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.